Experiencing the waiting for activation error on iMessage can be quite frustrating, especially when you rely on it for messaging. This issue often arises due to network problems, incorrect settings, or Apple server issues. Don't worry, this guide will provide you with effective solutions to help you activate iMessage successfully. Let's get started. Solution 1. Verify your iMessage number. Open Setting, tap Apple ID, tap Sign In and Security. Here you can see this number says unavailable for iMessage and FaceTime. If you even see there is no number at all, try to add one. But if you have the number, tap Removes from Account. Now you need to re-add the number from here to activate your iMessage with phone number. Quickly after that, check iMessage Settings. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down, and tap Messages. Ensure that iMessage is turned on. In the Messages settings, tap Send and Receive. Under You Can Be Reached by iMessage at, check if your phone number is listed. Select a phone number, or you can even use your Apple ID to solve iMessage waiting for an activation error. Solution 2. Sign out and sign back in. Go to Settings, tap on your Apple ID at the top of the screen, select Sign Out, wait a moment, then tap Use your Apple ID for iMessage to sign back in. Solution 3. Set correct data and time. Open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Data and Time. Make sure to enable Set Automatically. Solution 4. Reset network settings. If the issue persists, resetting network settings may help. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and then choose Reset Network Settings. This will reset Wi-Fi networks and passwords, cellular settings, and VPN and APN settings. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the waiting for activation issue on iMessage. If this guide helps you, don't hesitate to ask any questions in the comments. Thanks for watching.